Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying the Apres dupe on my mom, and before we get started I wanted to thank everyone that has recently subscribed. Thank you for all the love and all the support. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get started. So mom is going to be popping these off, so I did put a layer of, or not a layer, but I applied some cuticle oil on her nails before we started, and then I'm gonna be applying the base coat, and then I'm gonna apply the nail, and I'm gonna press down so there's no air bubbles. I'm not gonna press too hard because I don't want the gel to like overflow into the cuticle area. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I had no idea that this method was even called that. I thought it was like part of like the lazy girl method or the Femi Beauty method, you know. So but the other day I was watching a video, and it was pick your color. She mentioned the Apres dupe, and I was like, wait a minute, is that what it's called? But hey, you learn something new every day, right? So this is what they look like. So now I'm gonna clean with alcohol to make sure there's no dust or any oils on the tip, and I'm gonna cut it down and file it a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with the gel polish, and I'm gonna be very careful not to touch the cuticle and the side walls. But I did mess up a little bit because me and Mama were just, you know, chatting it up. I wasn't really paying attention. At some points we were laughing too hard for me to like even do anything. So it doesn't matter though. These nails were just for fun. Like I said, she was gonna pop them off, so we were just trying to, like, you know, to spend time together. So I applied 2 coats of this gel polish. I don't think I showed you guys. I think I only recorded one shade or one layer, but I did do 2 coats. I wanted it to be nice and pigmented. She loves red. Red is her favorite color, so I wanted it to like really stand out. So after we were finished with that, we added some gold flakes, and then I applied some top coat, cured it, and added some cuticle oil. She really did like them. She just couldn't stand the length, so she ended up like popping them off right away. But yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.